Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make two pouches. The pattern comes in two sizes. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this tutorial you will need the pattern printed and cut, some batting, a small zipper of 25 cm long or 20.5 cm if you are making the small bag, a long zipper of 64 cm long or a 52 cm long if you are making the small bag, a bias tape of 2.5 cm width and another one of 1 cm width, mesh fabric for the pocket, lightweight cotton fabric for the lining, gingham fabric for the handle, gingham quilted fabric for the bag. Pin the pattern pieces on the fabric as shown in the cutting layout. Cut out the fabric pieces. Cut the pocket out of the mesh fabric. Before removing the paper pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern important markings to the fabric pieces. Grab the two pieces of the bag's perimeter and their lining. Grab the long zipper and mark its center. Open the zipper. Place one side of the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining of the bottom perimeter, right sides together matching the center. Place the second side of the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining of the top perimeter, right sides together, matching the center. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge. Fold the fabric right side out and top stitch all around each perimeter 5 mm from the edge. Trim off the excess of the zipper. Mark a distance of 1 cm on both sides of the zipper. Using a pair of pliers, remove the zipper teeth along the marked distance. Hand stitch the ends of the zipper to keep it from opening. Place one end of the bag perimeter between the bag perimeter piece and its lining right sides together. Place the outer fabric only of the back perimeter piece over the second perimeter end, right sides together. Stitch the two ends of the perimeter 1 cm from the edge. Fold over the free side of the lining of the back perimeter piece over 1 cm and press. Fold the lining over to cover the seam and pin in place. Make 2 stitches on either side of the back perimeter seams, each 5 mm from the seam. Fold the handle fabric in half lengthwise, right sides together. Stitch the length 1 cm from the edge. Press the seams and flip the piece right side out. Stitch 1 cm from the edge of one of the short sides of the piece. Fill the handle with batting and step it down enough to make the handle quite stiff. Do not fill the handle to the seam allowance. Pin the opening and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Take the 3 pieces of the top of the bag and the handle. Mark the centers of the small sides of the handle. Place the handle seam allowance between the bag top side piece and the bag top center piece, matching the markings, right sides together. Do the same with the second side of the handle and the second side of the top of the bag, and stitch 1 cm from the edge. Flip the pieces over and top stitch 5 mm from the seams. Place the top of the bag on the lining wrong side on wrong side and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Place the bottom of the bag on the lining wrong side on wrong side and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Cut 2 pieces of 1 cm wide bias to the length of the mesh pocket. Fold the bias in half and press. Place the bias on the straight edge of the mesh pocket. Stitch the bias 2 mm from the edge. Do this for both pocket pieces. Take the small zipper and both sides of the mesh pocket. Mark the centers of the zipper and both sides of the pocket. Place the two sides of the pocket on either side of the zipper, wrong side on right side, and stitch 2 mm from the edge. Place the top of the bag on the pocket this time, wrong side on wrong side, and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Open the zipper. Mark the center of the bag's perimeter. Place the top edge of the perimeter on the top of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Place the bottom edge of the perimeter on the bottom of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch both sides 1 cm from the edge. Fold the bias end 1 cm inward and place the bias around the bag. Stitch 5 mm from the edge. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Fold the bias towards the inside of the bag and stitch using the machine or a slip stitch. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or to message me on my social media. All of the links are in the description under the video.